Hey everybody, it's me. You know, I think I love the ride more than anything. It's so wonderful to be out there, just riding along with your own thoughts, maybe singing to the music, people waving, giving you thumbs up. There was a little boy who just went by and he's like hanging out the window, giving me a thumbs up. It gives me like so much motivation and makes me feel so good to be out here just smiling and waving and maybe just give somebody a little bit of a smile for the day. All right, let's ride. See you soon.